here it is, finally, the long-awaited sequel to the episode where I microwaved cat food. Today, I'm going to microwave dog food. I bought the cheapest brand I could find, and I'm going to microwave it inside of Quincy over here. For this episode, I'm going to debut something new. It's going to be the intermission cam, where I do some running commentary from far away, and then I insert a little piece of that in for intermission to break up a little bit of the monotony of the microwaving for people who prefer something a little extra besides the microwaving. But the microwaving sequence will remain whole and pure except for the parts where nothing happens. How long should I microwave it? 5 minutes sounds about right. was super boring, an absolute waste of time. Good thing I debuted the intermission cam here, because otherwise you'd have fallen asleep. 5 minutes of nothing. Dog food didn't spark, didn't catch fire, nothing. It's just kind of warm. Now the house smells like warm dog food, so I'm going to have to say microwaving dog food is a bad idea. No, nothing cool happened, so don't even get that good of a verdict. This was a stupid idea, absolute waste of time. Don't microwave bags of dog food. You're just wasting time doing it.